guys, Miss Renali here for Miss Curran and Miss Renali, and I'm going to teach you a little bit today about subject-verb agreement. So let's start with Monday's work. And what we're going to do today is we're going to review the following rules, and then I'm going to get you kind of started on the activity. So first of all, this presentation, your grammar presentation, is going to talk about an agreement between subject and verb. Okay? In particular, we're looking for, because you guys are already super massive geniuses about finding the subject, who or what is doing something, and finding the verb. What are they doing or what are they? So now what we have to do is we have to make sure that they agree. So what I mean by agreement is, in particular, do I need an S at the end of the verb, or do I leave the S off? So what would that look like exactly on a quiz? A subject-verb agreement item on an objective test might look like this. Agreements in a nutshell. The elephant trumpets for a peanut. Elephant, how many elephants are there? Just one, right? So that is a singular subject. Trumpets is a singular verb. But how do I know when I'm supposed to put an S at the end of a verb or some other conjugated form? All right, well, check it out. The elephants, two, right? Plural subject, is going to have the same verb, confusing, right? Trumpet without an S for a plural verb. So how do I figure that out? What is one to do? Well, let's check out rule number one. A verb must agree with its subject in number. Singular subjects always take singular verbs. The car stays in the garage. The flower smells good, right? One verb, one subject. Verbs tend to follow a particular formula, which we're going to look at next week. Rule number two is that the number of the subject, singular or plural, is not changed by the words that come between the subject and the verb. One of the eggs is broken. We've got all that junk in the middle, right? One of the eggs is broken. Okay, of the eggs, that's a prepositional phrase. Subject is one, and the verb is. All that junk in between, it's noise. We don't need it. One and is, the subject, one, the verb is, they're both singular. So you can just mentally omit any of the junk, any of the prepositional phrases, anywhere a mouse can go, to make the subject agreement, verb agreement easier to make. So that is some fast and loose rules for subject and verb. And we are going to stop this video and get to stepping on Tuesday.